Hi, I'm Tressa Brannon from Total Style Solutions, and today we're at Kings Row Formal Wear in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's talk about packing your suits and how to pack your suit so that it's wrinkle-free. Now, there isn't really a wrinkle-free suit completely, but a good quality suit that's 100% wool will definitely be better for you and not wrinkling as much, and it'll hang out when you do get to your location after you're done traveling. So there's a couple of different types of suitcases and things that you can use to pack your suits. So the one that I have here today actually has a handy dandy little clip to hook on. You can take your suit and you just slip it right through the hanger right there. Now there's a couple of different straps that you can put on your suit as well, and take and fold over if you want, put it over, whatever works better for you. But there's a couple of straps and it helps to hold your suit into place. And so you just hook those straps right on. Now if you notice, that's going to bunch and that's going to wrinkle, so you want to make sure you fold it over neatly and without as many wrinkles as possible as well. So you get your sides nice and tight, and then you have your arms and your sleeves in there. Now this also has straps down further if you had pants that hang longer or a woman's dress, and you fold it back over and it clips on, keeps it nice and tight when you're traveling. So that's one way that you can pack it. The other way is to not have a hanger, because not all of us have one of these cool suitcases. So some people might need to just pack it in a regular suitcase. And that's how you can pack a wrinkle-free suit. And this is Tressa from Total Style Solutions reminding you to express your greatness.